Hey, want to turn everyday tasks into done in seconds moments? This is your channel. We explore the smartest AI tools online and show you how to use them like a pro. Fast, simple, and stress-free.
Ever wondered if you could create AI-powered videos with lifelike avatars that can speak in any language? Well, today, we're diving into HeyGen, a tool that promises to do just that and more. Stick around because this tool could change the way you create videos forever. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing HeyGen, an AI video generator that allows you to create hyper-realistic videos with avatars that look, sound, and speak in any language. Whether you're making tutorials, presentations, or just want to bring your ideas to life with AI, this tool has a ton to offer. Let's take a closer look at what HeyGen can do. At its core, HeyGen allows you to generate AI videos quickly by simply typing a script. You can create avatars that speak your script, which is a total game changer for video creation. You can even upload a photo of yourself to create a custom avatar or choose from a range of pre-built avatars for your videos. Here's the deal. Video creation can be time-consuming and expensive. Hiring actors, setting up equipment, and editing footage can take days. But with HeyGen, you can do all of that with just a few clicks. No more waiting for days to get the perfect video. Just type in your script, pick an avatar, and watch the magic happen. One of the coolest features is the AI video translator. Not only can you make videos in your native language, but HeyGen allows you to translate the video into different languages, making it easy to reach a global audience without the need to hire voice actors from different countries. Take a look at the interface. It's sleek and user-friendly. On the left, you've got all the tools you need for video creation, from script input to avatar selection. And as you can see from the screenshots, you can even create content with personalized avatars or clone your own face for a more customized touch. Now, I gotta say, the avatar quality is impressive. Just check out how lifelike these characters look. Whether you choose a real human avatar or create a more animated character, the animation and lip syncing are spot on. The AI even matches the voice perfectly to the avatar's movements. It's like watching a real person speak, but in any language. Let me show you how it works. After logging in, you'll see the dashboard where you can either clone your own avatar, create one from a photo, or use any of the pre-built avatars. Then, just paste your script, adjust the voice and language settings, and boom. The video is ready for preview in just a few minutes. I also love the ability to adjust the avatar's movements and expressions for that personal touch. You can add extra flair to your videos with custom gestures, or even make your avatar walk around the scene. It's all in your control. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is actually pretty interesting. There is a free plan. You can create up to around 3 videos per month, but it comes with limitations like watermark and lower resolution. Then the creator plan is around $29 per month, which unlocks things like unlimited videos, higher quality export, no watermark, more avatars and features. And if you go higher, like the Pro plan, approximately $99 per month, you get even better quality like 4K and faster processing. So basically, you can start free and upgrade if you actually need more power. So the workflow is super simple. Type your script, pick your avatar, choose voice and settings, click generate, and your video is done in minutes. So yeah, if you want to create videos without being on camera or just save a ton of time, HeyGen is definitely worth checking out. Try it out and let me know. What would you create with this? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.